Hi everyone, my name is Anagha and I'm part of the Data Science Discovery team, and in this video today we are going to be doing a question on Python conditionals. So let's go ahead and get started. So here it says, assuming that df has data loaded into the data frame prior, which statement best describes the following line of Python, right? So here we have df in brackets df, and then we're referring to this age column right here, using that line of code, that part of the code does not equal 20. So right away we have different types of operators that we can use in Python, right? There's the not equals to. This means not equal to, so not equals to, and it's like this, the not equal to operator in math. And then we have the double equal sign, which is an operator that checks for equality. And then we have the greater than or equals to, which is like this operator in math. Less than or equal to, which is like that. We have greater than and less than, and those are kind of the main operators. So it says here that df underscore or bracket age does not equal 20. So we are filtering out, essentially filtering all the rows, filtering or selecting all the rows in our df, right, where the age column data does not equal 20. So that's essentially what this piece of code here does. And this df age, that is referring to the age column. Here we are looking at the df data frame, and that is that boolean operator, and that 20 means that we want to select all the rows where age does not equal 20. So it can be less than 20, it can be greater than 20, it just cannot equal 20. Now let's say I had, instead of not equal to 20, I had equals 20. So that would be selecting and filtering all the rows in our df where the age column is strictly equal to 20. So that's like, I kind of want to do the opposite now, right? I want to select all the rows where my age is exactly equal to 20. Now, for example, let's say I had greater than or equal to. Well, then it would be selecting all the rows in our df where that age column is greater than or equal to 20. If I had, if I erased that equal sign, then it would be selecting all the rows in the df where the age column data is strictly greater than 20, right? If I had maybe a less than, then this wouldn't be, it would be selecting all the rows in our df where the age column is strictly less than 20. Sorry, I think in that previous example where I had greater than, I forgot to erase that equals to, but it was strictly greater than 20, and here strictly less than 20. And then if I had a less than or equal to, it would be selecting all the rows in our df where the age column is less than or equal to 20. So that kind of covers all of our Boolean operators. And what this statement does is essentially, if we have a data frame that has, all of these rows of data, we're basically only looking at that age column, right? That age column might contain all the integers that stores each row's or each subject, each row might represent a subject, their age. And it goes through and evaluates, okay, in this row is my age, let's say here, less than or equal to 20. And if it is, then my result, this will result in a new data frame, right? If I assign this piece of code to, let's say, new df, then this is my original df, but my new df will have all the rows where my age, where that age column data is less than or equal to 20, right? So it can be maybe 20, it can be 18, it can be 5, and it will select only those select rows. And the other rows will have age that is greater than 20, so maybe like 21 or like 40 or like 50. And my new df will contain all of those selected rows from my original data frame where my age is less than or equal to 20. So we'll have this row right here where that age is 20. It will have the row where my age is 18, and that row where that age data is equal to 8. So hopefully that makes more sense. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.